Guys, look, I got some new wings. I know they're pretty big, but look at Pikachu's new tail. It's hilarious. Shut up, YouTube, if you think that's funny. It's not. Hey, who's saying that? Hey, guys, wanna battle? No. Oh, no one wants to battle with me. I wanna battle someone. I'll battle you. You're so puny and tiny. So are you. Yeah, but just look at my tiny sister Pikachu. None of us are a Pichu. Look at her. She's bigger than you. I am. It's better. Da-na-na-na. I think the rock's in the camera's way. Oh, we'll just move the rock. Wow. How do we move the rock? Let's do this. Jodo, can you come and help? Sure. Battle time and the rock's in the way. Yeah. There you go. Hey, brother, can you help? Sure. There you go. Done. But now that tiny rock's in the way. Okay, do that one. But now Geodude, you're in the way. I'll lay down. Put your arm down then. Okay. Do. And electric attacks. I'll just zap back at you. But I got a technique. Be careful, my little one. Yeah, be careful, honey. Why do you keep saying that? Whoa! How do you keep coming back? Like all the Pokemon everybody fights. Trampoline. Oh. Wait, I can absorb it. Look, it is down. The winner is little Pikachu. Yay! I win! You got the smallest Pikachu. No, I'm the smallest Pikachu. Yappy. Daddy, Mommy, I won. Okay, yeah. Okay, Geodude. You stop. Okay. Guys, want to see me fly? Okay. Can I take a ride on you? Fine. Whee! This is fun. Wasn't it? Yep, it was really fun. Okay, honey, let's go home. Okay, Mommy. Stop. Huh? Elegant. Elegant. Oh. Random. I just came out of nowhere. Me too, I just came out of the sky. Like my egg. It's not an egg, it's a stone. Yeah, right. It is a stone. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Why do people keep thinking that? Surprise if it's an egg or stone. If you say stone, I'm gonna punch you. I know where you live. I do. I know where you live. Hey, can someone move that computer out of the way? No, just move the camera. I can't see it. Whoa, that is so crazy. Whoa. Too close. Too close. Too close, I said. That's too close. Move back. Back. Good. But now that's in the way. There you go. Okay. Last one. Squirtle. Sorry, I'm in charge of these plants. If they get knocked over, I put them back up. And I'm really slow. And I'm being super slow. I hope you enjoyed this. So, see you next time. Bye.